Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of December 2021. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what's there for my Libras. December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Libras. Okay, so we have Two of Wands in your overall energy. It tells us about something like a decision making which needs to be taken at present. Things going on really fast around you. It feels like things are going around fast and you need to take decisions really fast. You need some time, you need some rest, but you are not getting that, okay? But although you are in the crossroads, you are in a bit of a situation, okay? In the past we have Ten of Wands, King of Swords and Six of Pentacles. It might be involving in something in relation with, for some of you it's more like some court issues in relation with money, okay? Financially you are involved where you need to take money, or you need to take money, or you need to give money. So things happened really bad in the past, but somehow it's a matter of give and take, okay? So you need to give money or you need to take that money. So things have to be done mutually in that case. We are going to clarify more it in detail. In the present we have Seven of Cups, King of Wands and Page of Cups. I think there is some kind of an overconfidence. It could be you, it could be someone around you, okay? But there is something in relation with, I don't know what I am getting with the King of Wands today as a term as overconfidence. Either you are the overconfident one, or your other person, or the people, or the situation in which you are dealing with. But there is like that, somebody is trying, somebody is dreaming a lot, daydreaming is happening over there. You're not sure about what might come the outcome, you're not sure about that, but somebody is really, because when we really want to win, we just think about winning, we never think about what if we lose. So something like that. In the future, the near future, we have Ten of Swords, Eight of Wands and Eight of Cups. Things are coming towards an end because things are happening really fast. I see speed is there, things are moving fast and you're approaching towards some kind of an ending over here in the future. We will see, we will clarify what exactly this is. Let's clarify now. Let's see what's there for my Libras. Two of Wands. Why the Two of Wands is here for my Libras as an overall energy? Two of Cups, Hermit and Five of Cups. For some of you, I see some delayed or some cancellations in traveling at present. If you are about to travel, check all your vehicles before traveling, because there is some regrets which are coming up, okay? So this is for some of you only. You are planning for a very beautiful travel, because you want to travel, you might be sick, you might be feeling lonely, you might be feeling that I need some space, I need some enthusiasm. That is what you want, because you need space. Definitely you want some time for yourself. You do not want things to go really fast. You do not want things happening. Either you want them, or either you want happiness. Something is there which is making you feel that you are a bit in a crossroads, because at one place you are seeing your mental peace, and at one place you are seeing the love of your life, or something which is opposite of the mind of peace, mental peace. Okay, so this is your overall energy. I see regrets. I see some partnerships. Might be a partnership where you are regretting, or the other person is regretting about it. A decision making which hasn't been made yet, has to be made, but hasn't made yet. And things are going fast, but the decision hasn't come yet. That situation you are in. Okay, in the past we have 10 of wands. So let's check the energies of 10 of wands in the past energies. The magician, king of swords, and 7 of swords. Okay, so I don't know, but why I am getting a figure of a person who is in uniform in the past. You might have dealt with a person in the uniform. I don't know why. And this is behind the bars situation. It might be around you. Something might have happened, like behind, somebody might have gone behind the bars, or there was a situation like that where you could have gone, or where other person could have gone. Things were not clear in the past. With this, because I got 2 king of swords in your past energies. This is more in relation with action energies. Your money is also involved, but somehow somebody was not ready to give that money, or somebody was not ready to come to a mutual decision making. Let's see why the 6 of Pentacles is here in the past energies for my Libras. Page of Wands, 7 of Swords, and 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, things were not going good. Somebody was betraying, somebody was lying. There were lies, deception in terms of finances. You have dealt with. You were waiting for some amount of money. It could be you, it could be a person over here, but somebody was waiting for some finances over here. And but somehow, you were about to get that money, or you were about to get that confirmation. It could be a love thing as well. Where you were ready for somebody to give you any commitment, but all of a sudden this person wasn't there. They just lied, and they just deceived you, or you must have deceived them. So deception energies are there in the past. You were waiting for a commitment of something, but it didn't happen because of the immature decision making done by the other person, or you, or somebody around you who has made you do this. Yeah, I see some decision making which needed to be done in the past but hasn't been done yet because of some attitude issues as well. Tell me about the 7 of Cups in the present. Hierophant, 7 of Wands, and King of Pentacles in reverse I have. So I don't see this person as a very good person. This is a person with the King of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody who is manipulating some things around you, You're fighting for a cause which needed to be end far before. I see. Because I am not getting this, because the present energies are still showing the same stagnancy of the past. Things need to be end. needed to be ended in the past, but they are still going on in the present, and it's just useless energies in the present. Let me check this Page of Cups energy. Four of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. See, again, there is loss of action. It's like somebody is sleeping, or somebody is just behaving, nothing is happening. Somebody is not looking towards the main issue, and they're just ignoring this thing. The universe wants you to take a step forward towards the situation. If this is a situation between two people, if you are not able to end the process, or to take this process towards a certain situation, towards an ending, or towards some movement, if you are not ready, because things are happening fast, and this is the best time you can grasp those energies, and you can end it by yourself if you want some ending, because things are ending in the future. Why not end it in the present only? It's that energy which is coming up, Libras. Why not you go towards them and put an offer towards the other person, and you might end the things in which you are dealing with. Okay, let me see the future energies. 10 of Swords. But I see that somebody is coming towards you, or you are going towards them, because then only the things are coming towards an end. Otherwise, this future energies wouldn't have come. Yeah, those things which were hidden in the past, the things which were happening really bad. I see toxicity and toxic energies, toxic relationships, it could be, which are coming towards an end. 8 of Cups. So I got this. Wow. So we have 8 of Cups. We have 8 of Cups in reverse. We have 8 of Pentacles and 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords has come twice in your future energies. So this is definitely the endings which needed to be end. And these are bad endings. After this energies, there is no start with the same situation. If you work really hard, because I see that somebody wants to come towards an ending. 8 of Wands with the 8 of Pentacles. Somebody is really working hard for those endings to come fast towards you. You do not want to keep on, lingering on those energies, because this was toxic. This was hideous energies, and you never wanted to be in the same situation like this. So you are moving towards the endings now. The endings are coming up. Why things can happen fast but not happening fast, because of this 8 of Cups in reverse. A feeling, where that you do not belong to this place. You do not belong to this situation. You need to move, but you stop your energies. You stop yourself from moving, because it's a big decision making for your life. And that is the reason. Things can happen really, really fast, but they are not happening because of your fear of not acting. Okay. So I think that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.